Hi there, welcome back. Let's create a hyperlapse video in Premiere Pro. So a hyperlapse video is a video generated by the formation of images of a certain object, for example this mosque, taken at different locations. So all you have to do to make a hyperlapse video is to take a picture of something, but at different locations. Once you've taken the picture, move forward just a bit, and then you take another picture, move forward, take another picture, move, take a picture, move, take a picture, and then your hyperlapse video will be generated by these images, so that it has this look as if, like you took a video of it, but this time the images do the role. So to do this, once you've taken all of the pictures, right click on this, and then head over to import. Head over to the folder where you store all of the images, for example here. So as you can see, like here I have the pictures taken from the start when I first took the picture until the last. So you need to put these images in the right order so that it forms a moving image kind of sequence. Click here and then double click, tick the box for image sequence, sorry, and then click on open. And then once you're done, drag it into the sequence just like this, and then you simply click on change sequence settings just like so, and then you're done actually. You can even stabilize it if you want to. Like go to effects and then type stabilize and then drag warp stabilizer into the sequence just like this. Hold on. And then you have to wait until like all of the frames have been read. You can even adjust the smoothness, but I like it that way when like there are no additional settings. So that's how you can create a hyperlapse using images from the start to end, just like this one. Thanks for watching guys, give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day, ciao.